Hey guys, welcome back. So after a long wait, roughly around 2 to 3 weeks, this release cable for the seat finally came in, and here it is. All right guys, here we go. So finally this release cable came in, and it was on back order, so it did take a while for me to get it. It was my buddy was one that hooked me up with it, so I wasn't able to order online because the ones I did find online were used, and honestly I'm not gonna be putting used parts on my car, so I decided to go ahead and wait it out. And finally we have a brand new release cable for the driver's seat. So let's go ahead and open this up and let's check it out. So this is the part that actually broke on the seat. You guys can see it. This little piece of aluminum right here actually snapped off. All right, so if you guys were curious about the part number for this is 6810-2995AB. Cable front seat release, left hand. So that'll be driver's side. So if you head to the dealership, most likely it's gonna cost you around $100. And with that guys, pretty much this is the entire assembly. So we're gonna have to go take a quick walk to the car and actually install it. So it looks like we're gonna reuse the top bezel and the rest of it's not. We're gonna have to pry out those little cables, and in here there are some tabs. You gotta be real careful, but you do need several rivets to attach the plastic to the actual frame of the seat. Okay, there it is. So these were the tabs that you gotta be very careful that you can break. All right guys, it appears that this seat cover might have to be removed. I'm not 100% sure, but I'm trying to take off all these clips on it, and if I can't take them off, I don't know, I think I might have to take out the seat to work on this, because what I can see, there's a small rivet right here. I'm not sure you guys can see it right there. There's a rivet that actually needs to be drilled out. So there's a pretty good chance I'm gonna have to take off the seat cover. So let's go ahead and recline the seat back, take off this, and let's see if it's enough space for me to slide this over it. All right guys, so I'm gonna just try to remove this cover so I can at least pull this over the fabric side of it. So hopefully if I do that, this should come up all the way where it's enough so I could just pull this over to the side. All right. Oh, that should work. Ah, there it is. There it is. Looks like I lifted that just enough where it might work. All right guys, so it was a lot of work to get to this point. Finally, everything's off. Everything's looking good. And I can actually see those rivets now. They're right there. So I'm gonna drill those rivets out real quick. There's one, and one more to go. Let's see. All right, that's perfect. All right, so that means there's nothing holding this anymore, so this should pop right out. Yeah, look at that guys. So now it's time to get in the inside and start releasing everything so I can just slide this out. It's a little trickier than I thought. All right guys, so this is all the carnage in the aftermath of this destruction that I had to do just to be able to take off this this cable and this release hatch. It was a lot of work. As you guys can see, everything's completely taken apart. Honestly, I didn't think I was able to do it, but everything's good to go. Now it's time to go and grab the new cable and go ahead and install this. All right guys, so here's a new one and here's the old one. If you guys compare these side by side, you guys can tell that this one's starting to show some wear in it. It was just a matter of time until this one broke. So we're good now. These are the new ones. You guys can see everything's nice, perfect. Let's go ahead and take a walk back to the car with this new release latch, and everything should be good. All right guys, so we have the brand new release cable and latch. Let's go ahead and start running the new cables back inside the seat real carefully. And I think that's it. Just gotta put this back in position. All right, I'm just gonna have to hold in position so it doesn't move on me. And let's put the first rivet in, and I think it's gonna be it. So Let's put this. There we go. Rivets on. And hopefully I picked the right rivet for the job. And I think it locked. Let's see. If it pops out, then it's the wrong one. Oh no, that's secure, guys. That is good. But this one is gonna be a little bit trickier because it's right behind this metal bar. And I don't know if I'm gonna be able to reach it, but let's give it a shot. Oh yeah. It's just barely, but it's enough, guys. Now let's lock in position. Now it's gonna be fun having to connect all this back up. All right, guys, so I'm pretty sure that this is the one that goes on this side. I think they were tied off like right here in the middle. Now let's put this cable in. I think it just goes into that little tiny groove. We slipped it in. Now we just gotta put the plastic in there. Let it seat. There's one side. And we got it. Got it. I think that's good. All right, now let's go ahead and to the other side. This one's gonna be a lot trickier because we still have this motor that's in the way. It's right there. Now I gotta pick up the cable, and it's there. All right, let's see if that works. There we go, guys. So that means everything should work now. I am so happy with this. Finally got it over with. Look at that. This seats forward and it goes all the way back by itself. Brand spanking new. I don't have to worry about that breaking anytime soon. Let's go ahead and start putting everything back together. Button this up. All right, there's one. And that's it. All right, guys, that's pretty much it for this install. It was a lot of work. It took a lot of time to get this put together. I cut myself. So just know, guys, if you plan on taking this task on your own, just be prepared to be very careful. Take your time removing things because you can damage something. The main thing is when you're taking off this bezel, those little prongs, if you break them, you're gonna have to replace this. You won't be able to reuse it again. So with that said, guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Hope you guys like this video and stay tuned for the next one.